Welcome to our quick guide on using the Embed Deployment option for enhanced user experience with contextual assistance. Let's explore what this deployment option is best for. The best applications for contextual assistance are on product pages, checkout pages, and FAFET sections. Let's explore how to use it. Sign in to your custom GPT app. First, go to your project settings. Navigate to Sharing, and then click on Enable Sharing link. Go to the Embed section and copy the provided code. You can easily customize your AI agent settings by adjusting the width, height, and prompt. Paste the copied HTML code onto your website. Curious about how it looks? Let's ask Custom GPT some questions and see how it responds. Get started now and unlock powerful customer support today. Visit customgpt.ai.